Prince Andrew pal says Buckingham Palace doesn't protect Queen Elizabeth's son. A friend of Prince Andrew said that a target is now on the back of the Duke of York. Unfortunately, even for his stature as a member of the royal family, the Queen's favourite son apparently doesn't get much protection from Buckingham Palace. The friend told Fox News that Prince Andrew is a sitting duck against the case of his friend Jeffrey Epstein, who was charged for sexual trafficking in the United States court. The source said that Prince Andrew has no team protecting him at Buckingham Palace. Prince Andrew's pal, however, clarified that he's not criticizing the palace. He said that it's just how Buckingham operates for centuries. Apparently, the royals do not have the freedom of maneuver and provide Prince Andrew with the protection he needs amid this controversial case. A case in point is the publicity against the Duke of York, spearheaded by U.S. Attorney General Geoffrey Berman. The friend said that Berman has been misleading the public by saying that Prince Andrew refused to cooperate in the investigations of his friend, but Buckingham Palace has never issued statements to the defense of the royal. Contrary to Berman's claims, the Duke of York apparently had dozens of emails showing that he and his legal team was in contact with the U.S. Attorney General's office. This apparently proves that Prince Andrew is willing to cooperate and help the DOJ with their investigations. His team of lawyers have now accused the DOJ of breaking the confidentiality when Berman made several statements early in the year to suggest that Prince Andrew refused to help. The Duke of York apparently wants an olive branch from Berman's team before they can resume any attempt to get in touch with the royal. Epstein's case was complicated by his suicide in August 2019. Now the Department of Justice has been seeking those who might have knowledge of his illegal activities for the sake of his victims. Prince Andrew tried to clear his name and his ties to Epstein, his friend, for more than 2 decades by granting an interview with the BBC in November 2019. However, the decision received a huge backlash as the public was instead angrier at Prince Andrew. The Duke of York is said to be regretful of his decision to be interviewed. Thus, he has been listening to the advice of his lawyers, who have also been in contact with the DOJ.